Hi! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Kai Kion. Kung bago ka lang channel to, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga susunod na videos. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng tutorial about on how we can create quick and easy 3D intro for free. So without further ado, let's get started. So ayan, search lang natin guys, panzoid.com. Bago ang lahat, ano nga ba ang Panzoid? Ang Panzoid is a free information tool website wherein we can use generative templates. So, ayun. As we open, makikita natin dito yung mga creation. Scroll down lang tayo guys. Then, click on more creation. As you can see, makikita natin dito yung trending, latest, top, or we can search. Since 3D ang gagawin natin, just type 3D and then enter. Ayan, pili lang tayo dito guys kung anong gusto natin gamitin templates. It's up to you with your choice. Okay, I think I like this one, and then click open and a clip maker. So ganito na yung lalabas. Then click natin dito sa parang eyes para makita natin, or we can play. Click play button to see the preview of the template we're gonna use. And then, click natin dito sa may check mark. Set frame rate to 60 and length to 10 seconds. And then, click here sa parang cube. Go to the text box. Okay, edit na natin yung text. I put my name, Kai Kyung. Just make sure na napalitan natin lahat ng text box. And after natin mapalitan yung text, scroll down lang tayo. Dito pwede natin palitan yung kulay kung anong gusto natin. I like the purple, and then choose. And also click to the particles. Let's see kung napalitan siya. Tignan natin dito. Then click the color we want, then choose. Or we can click here, then click colorize. Choose the color we want. Choose dito, mas madali. You can automatically change the color. And then dito naman pwede natin palitan yung sound, but me, I'm okay with that. Just save, just click here at the download button. Then choose mode. I choose good quality. And for format, I use MKV. Ayun, play ko muna before I render. And then to download, click na natin ang start video render. Ayan, hintayin na lang natin guys matapos siyang mag-download. By the way guys, yung masasave pala natin dito na file is naka MKV. So it's up to you what tool you want to use in order for you to convert it into MP4. You can use VOC, OBS, or you can simply search for a video converter from MKV to MP4. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new from me. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, give your comment down below, subscribe, and thank you so much. So ayun, bye!